Hey consumers, I'm your host PSB and you are watching Consumer Awareness. Redmi has recently launched their upcoming smartphone, which is Redmi 10X. I would be sharing few of the specifications, like I have got into the websites and I have seen the phone itself. It looks like Redmi Note 9 Pro Max. Yes, it looks like that, but it has some unique feature, like it has the same display like 6.57 inch from Redmi Note 9 Pro series, but it has under display fingerprint scanner, it has HDR10 plus certification. I think it is better than what LCD panels, IPS LCD panels offers, but it has a downside, like it has only 60 Hz panel. So yes, the specification looks good, like really good. 4520 mAh battery has been provided to this phone with 33 fast charger, like 33 watts fast charging. Like, that is insanely fast. I don't think like they will be providing the charger inside the box of the phone. You have to buy it separately. It has NFC. Yes, it looks like excellent offer, like excellent deal for the money which you will spend for this. 48 megapixel is the main primary sensor, 8 megapixel is the ultra wide sensor, 8 megapixel is the 3x telephoto lens, and which can do 30x digital zoom and 5x hybrid zoom. Optical image stabilization is there, like that is really good. Let me share the pricing and then I will share my opinion. Like if you are wondering which processor they are using MediaTek's mid-range chipset, which is MediaTek Dimensity 820. Yes, it is 5G capable, so you can use two 5G SIM card in that phone if 5G is ready in India, then only. So let me share the pricing. Like the base variant of the phone is going to be 664GB, 6GB RAM and 64GB of internal storage, which will cost you around $220, which is quite impressive what they are providing. Like yes, there is a downfall, like they are using MediaTek processor which doesn't do well. So after few years, after few months, you will face some problem like lag issues. The next variant which they will provide is 128GB variant, 6GB RAM, 128GB internal storage, which will cost you around $250. The next variant is 8GB RAM, 128GB internal storage, which will cost you around $290. And the next variant is 8GB RAM, 256GB internal storage, which will cost you around $330. Yes, these prices are like in dollars. They will be providing you with the upper variant like the Pro. Yes, they have two variants, Redmi 10X and 10X Pro. So Redmi 10X Pro will give you all the 5G capabilities and all the high-end specification like UFS 2.1 storage and USB Type-C and under display fingerprint scanner and all those things. The front-facing camera, which I have missed out before, is 20 megapixel. If you were wondering. Yes, they have provided 5 cameras. The one which I missed is 5 megapixel macro camera. The specification is sounding good. Let us check how it performs. If you're wondering, yes, the IR blaster is there and even the headphone jack is there. MediaTek Dimensity 820G, a 5G modem, like the 5G processor is fair enough. You can play PUBG on the medium settings, if I'm not wrong. I have to check that out and I will give you the full review. That's it for this video. I hope you have liked this video. If you have liked it, do hit the subscribe button and do hit the like button and do hit the dislike button if you don't like it. Till then, peace out.